Silver prices lagging gold's crazy breakout. Anthony, are we going to see silver prices catch up here anytime soon?
Silver definitely is having trouble. It's a little anemic here at $42. It doesn't really have the legs that I thought it would have, given the fact that we took out $1,900 in the gold session overnight. I'm hoping that if we remain at these levels in gold, that silver will play catch up. But you know, with the slowing economic issues, you know, silver's having that industrial, wearing that industrial hat again, and it is lagging behind.
Now, if we do play catch up here, if gold stays above 1900 and investors look for, say, the cheaper metal, silver, what kind of rally can we expect? Do we go to 50 or do we see a more tempered rally?
Well, as we've been seeing over the past couple of weeks, it seems to be having these $2 leaps. 40 to 42, 38 to 40. So now my next target area is going to be 44 and change to $45. If we're able to accomplish that over the next couple of weeks, going into the fourth quarter, I think maybe into the first quarter of 12, we might regain that $49 plus in silver.
How much downside risk is there due to, say, global economic slowdown, possible double-dip recession?
Well, 36 to 33. It held those numbers very nicely the last time down when we had those margin issues. So those are the two areas I'm looking at again for it to hold, hoping that you'll get some industrial demand down there and some buying will come in to support it.
Do you think we see 45 before we see 38?
Yes.
Now, what about any sort of margin hikes on gold? We just saw the Shanghai Gold Exchange raise margins by 1% on Tuesday. What happens if that hits the gold market? What happens to silver then?
Well, if it does happen to gold, silver might, you know, sell off in sympathy. But we've seen with a lot of these margin hikes, even in silver when they did it early on, when we had that rally up to $49, and when they did it in gold, you know, the buying seems to come right in. So unless it's a huge margin hike, you know, I don't think it's going to have any adverse effects.
All right, thanks, Anthony. I appreciate it. So silver pretty anemic right here, but the next level should be on the upside.